Hello, I'm gonna talk about olive fly attack. Now, today is 24th of September here in the south of Spain at Cordoba province. In this area, the summers are very hot and dry, so the fly attack begins after the first rains now in September. And now, today, we have seen some the first sticks, the first sting in the more bigger olives. So I'm gonna explain you how the olive fly works and how we can manage it. Okay, the olive fly, the female olive fly, don't choose any olives. The olive fly choose the bigger and sweeter and more mature olives. So, for example, this is an olive tree of the Picual variety. Its fruits are quite bitter, and this tree has a high crop. So the fruits are small, very hard, and green. So this is not what a female olive fly wants. So if we look for some sticks, we cannot find anyone. This is a very fine tree, olive tree with no one sticks in no one fruit. This one, for example, is a hojiblanca variety. Both comes from Spain, from the south of Spain. The crop is high, so this fruit is bigger and sweeter, but there is no stick at the moment. So let's search for more for any stick in other varieties, other trees. This is a pico limon tree. This is even bigger fruits used for table too. But if we look for some sticks in the olives, there are no one. Okay, and then this is another tree of another variety. This is Lechín de Sevilla variety. This variety has a big alternate bearing habit. So the last year have a very big crop. So this year the crop is very low. So this year there are very few olives, and the maturity index is very advanced. So in this tree, that even the maturity is quicker than in other variety, we can find some sticks. Okay, come on here. Can you see the color of the fruit? Look, changing to purple. So this maybe is one female fly stick. Okay, we think this is a female stick, but could be then due to a hail another problem. But we have a weapon for chest for test. Okay, yes. Can you see the female stick the skin of the fruit, and inside of the olive the female put a one egg, and then the egg close, and a maggot is developing inside the pulp of the olive. Can you see the gallery? Now the gallery is very small because the maggot has only less of 1 millimeter of size. So we can only see this road, this small road. But if we have a microscope, we can see bigger. So these are the first sticks in the olive. Maybe this is false. Okay, better. And usually we have to look for sticks in the upper parts of the tree because the fruits are bigger due to the sun illumination. So now today we have found some olives with a maggot inside. So today we have to act against the olive fly. Nowadays there are very few tools to fight against the olive fly. The first one is in summer using kaolin clay or a similar product that put the olive tree on white, and the adult the females don't stop in the tree. But here the summer are very high in temperature. And the olive flies attacks after the first rains at September. So it's not useful for us here in this grove to use kaolin clay because all the summer with the kaolin clay in the tree, and then with the first rains, the kaolin clay fall down to the soil. So it's not useful. So we have to use there another other tools. The second one tools is spinosad. This is a product, natural product, useful in you can use this in organic farming. spinosad. There is a product. We put spinosad in the tree. The olive fly, the adult olive flies comes, eat the product, and then the olive flies die. So this is a weapon that we can use both in organic or in conventional farming. So we are going to use there today spinosad. And if the it's very interesting, the Spinoza, because the Spinoza killed the adults. So when the adults died, no more sticks, no more eggs in the olives, and it's a very powerful tool because attract flies or a big distance from a big distance. So you can eliminate most of the flies of your area. So you can apply spinosad, and after some days, if you begin to see new attacks, you have to again apply spinosad. And this is the only one chemical product for organic farming. And if you are not working on organic farming, you can use to acetamiprid, one insecticide, but only in not organic farming, in conventional farming. Acetamiprid kills the maggot inside the olives. So if you have your population of olives has a lot of maggot inside the olives, you can kill them with the acetamiprid. And then if new females put their eggs inside the olives, yeah, the eggs will die, and the new maggot will die and will not spoil the fruit. And remember, the problem with the maggot of the olive fry is not the maggot inside the fruit with the quality. The problem is when the maggot develops into an adult fly and leave the fruit, and by the hole in the skin of the olive, new fungus and mushrooms come inside the olive and spoil, rotting the olive, destroying the quality of the olive fruit. Okay, thank you.